Hi, I'm Chris with POV Printing, and we wanted to go ahead and show you how easy it is to use one of our portable displays. The display we're going to be showing you today is one of our 36 by 72, and a lot of people want to know how easy they are to put together. They come with this carry case that are pretty durable, so you can travel with it without it getting damaged. And there are only a few parts that are involved with this. This is the base part of our stand. And then this is the only pole that you need. The base. And simply go ahead and pull it up. And then you can't see very easily, but on the back side, the tube spins the lock. So when you get it to the desired height all the way up where the red line is, you just spin and lock it on itself. And you've got a poster. And then to go ahead and disassemble it, it's basically the exact, you release the pole, it'll come down. And then this just hooks on there. There's just, when you put it on, it just hooks. Unhook it, and then kind of feed it back in carefully. And that's it. That's all you have to do, and disassemble and put it back in the bag. Thank you.